Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a quick update on Veracity VRA. We are going to look at VRA USDT as well as VRA BTC chart, and let's find out what's going to happen soon. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. And guys, just take a few seconds and please like this video and do share this video with all your other friends who are in crypto and share this VRA analysis with everyone. So let us first look at the VRA USDT chart. And this chart was, if you had seen the previous video analysis video, I have not changed anything in this chart. I will keep this as a reference for today's analysis and we'll do a fresh analysis on other chart. So if we see very clearly, then there are a lot of things that have gone. In fact, everything has gone as we had predicted. So the first thing that we are seeing is VRA is currently, if we look at the VRA from its bottom, and if we look through Fib, then let us see the power of this trend that it has started. If you look at the Fibonacci level, then you can see very clearly that VRA has retested 0.382, which is at precisely at 0.0269. So around 27, where we got this recent bounce, that is 382. And currently VRA is holding 0.236 level, which is extremely bullish, extremely bullish. I mean, you cannot ask for anything more for a bull trend to be above 0.236. It's a bullish trend. It is insanely bullish. So there are multiple supports currently that VRA is holding. The first support is this at around 3.1. And as I told you, this was a channel which VRA had broken. And it is now, this upper blue line that you see is now acting as support, which was here again retested at 0.236 level and we got that bounce. So a lot of support is getting built in this range. Let us look at a fresh chart. Now this is a VRA USDT chart on OKX. So what I see here, again, very clearly the resistance that we are right now facing is one of the biggest resistance for VRA. You can see over here, one of the best resistance or choppy region for VRA. So this is one resistance. The recent trend that is acting as resistance is this. This is acting as resistance right now for VRA. Once this resistance is broken, we can expect a new pump on the up, and this is acting as support. So this is currently what's acting as resistance and support for VRA. Depending on which side we break, the next immediate move for VRA would be, if we break on the up, we'll go to at least 4.8, that is 0.048. If we break on the down, we can retest the levels at 1.9216, but a lot of support is there if at all we see any down correction, which to me looks very unlikely. The first major support is over here. This is a big support which has flipped. This is a huge support. You can see over here at around 2 cents, 2 cents to 2 and 0.24. These are two big supports for VRA. In my opinion, we break on the up. That's a better chance, a higher chance. And it is also in a way forming a cup and handle. So overall, things are looking very, very bullish for VRA. I had in fact tweeted the new milestones for VRA. If you would have seen, let me just look at the tweet. Also, something I want to tell you guys. This is I had tweeted on 19th August. You can see VRA weekly and monthly charts. It's foolish not to be bullish. Looking at the chart, I also feel something is cooking. And what we are seeing recently, that we are seeing the news of lot of whales buying VRA. So I have told you a lot of times, this is a very common saying in technical analysis, that show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. A chart is what will tell us what's going to happen. And looking at the buying that was happening in the entire August month, we are sure to expect a lot of fireworks in the coming next 2 to 3 months. And this is just indication. Whales buying is just indication. This can be exchanges, new exchanges that are loading up the token. We don't know. But this is certainly a lot of positive and bullish news for VRA. And also we know fundamentally Q3, Q4 are going to be excellent for VRA. So there is one more tweet that I wanted to show you guys. And we are running a Veracity poll. Do vote if you haven't voted. There are still few hours left. That new all-time high for Veracity would be in September or October. So do check out. And if you're not following me on Twitter, do follow me, because I post constantly on Twitter, especially for VRA. I give you all the updates. So make sure you're following me on Twitter. Especially we are about to reach a new all-time high for VRA in the Bitcoin pair. I had just tweeted this 13 minutes back. And this is the Bitcoin chart, VRA Bitcoin chart. And this was the previous all-time high. And we are just 23% away from a new all-time high. Look at this. We're just 23% away. So this is amazing, amazing news. Again, on the Bitcoin chart, this was a previously drawn chart. You can see it in the previous analysis. It is very similar that this trend that was broken, the resistance is now acting as support. On the Bitcoin pair, we are facing again one big resistance, which was a previous resistance over here. You can see over here very clearly. This was the resistance a lot of time, and currently we are facing that. But again, the trend is extremely bullish. If we look at the Fibonacci level from the bottom to the top, then we are currently above 0.0236 level. So anything about 236 level on Fib is extremely, extremely bullish. And for the next leg up, I have posted some milestones, and let me just show you this with the help of Fibonacci, that what's possible in this new leg up, what will be our major milestones. Again, this was provided to you guys 2 months back, that we are going for 0.06 on the USDT pair. But if we look at the Fibonacci, and let's take from the top till the bottom and see what are the important levels that we might get in this new leg. And we can very clearly see the first important level is at 0.87. So around 87, so almost 9 cents. So between 0.87 to 9 cents would be our first major milestone. Then we'll go at 13 cents, 13 and a half cents. These are all the major milestones that I have provided for this new wave up, where we can go as high as 21 cents, depending on the kind of bullish euphoria that we get in this new leg. So a lot of positive things are happening on Veracity front. Make sure you are hodling your VRA very well. I do not see any reason to panic. And if we get any correction or pullback in the Bitcoin on Bitcoin, and because of that, if we see certain pullback on VRA, it would be, in my opinion, very temporary. So do not panic much. If there is anything to panic, I will definitely post my views on Twitter, and also I'll make a video for you guys. So it is very bullish right now. Keep hodling your VRA and stake it if you want to. But overall, things are looking very good, very good. So this was a quick update on VRA. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and do not miss the new show that I'm coming up today. Every Monday, 6:30 p.m. India time and 8 a.m. Central time, I'll be live and on the weekly time frame. So we look at the week possibility of crypto, what's going to happen this week. We look at important news. We look at important charts, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Veracity, Solana, and all the trending charts. So make sure you join me in this show because it is going to be a live show. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye bye.